This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Monica Stevens. Honey, stop the car. This is a HUGE Farragut home that has been recently renovated. Step through the beautiful front door and be welcomed by a stunningly open floor plan that perfectly sets the tone for this expansive residence. The main level impresses with its expansive open living room, featuring in-floor electrical outlets for convenience. It is equipped with a laundry room, with sink, and a half bath providing both functionality and ease. The space also includes a formal dining room and an eat-in kitchen with newly installed backsplash and brand new stainless steel oven, all complemented by genuine wood flooring that brings warmth and a touch of luxury to the home. Natural light streams in through a newly installed sliding glass door that leads out to a beautiful deck overlooking the backyard. Comfort meets style in every corner of this home, notably with brand new carpeting throughout, ensuring a fresh and inviting feel. The upper level is where you'll find the oversized primary bedroom, a true retreat featuring a walk-in closet and a recently renovated ensuite bathroom. This spa-like bathroom includes a soaking tub, brand new double vanity with granite, and a walk-in shower with soon-to-be-installed custom glass doors, scheduled for May 8th, providing the perfect escape after a long day. Further down the hall, 3 additional bedrooms offer ample space for family and guests alike, alongside a huge bonus room that can double as a 5th bedroom, crafting an adaptable living space to meet all your needs. The fully finished walkout basement is a marvel in itself, boasting 2 large areas that can serve as additional bedrooms or versatile living spaces, think home gym, office, or entertainment lounge. Each room offers exterior doors to access the beautifully landscaped and fully fenced backyard, enhancing both privacy and accessibility. The backyard is an entertainer's paradise, featuring a level concrete pad with 240 power ready to accommodate a hot tub, and a small level wood deck for hot tub stairs. The yard's full fencing ensures privacy and security for family gatherings or quiet evenings outdoors. Parking is plentiful, with a driveway that accommodates not only your vehicles but also has dedicated space for a boat or RV, making it perfect for adventure enthusiasts. The community does not fall short on amenities either. Enjoy access to a tennis court, basketball court, clubhouse, pool, and walking trails, all within a friendly and active neighborhood. Located in the prestigious Farragut School District, this home is not just a living space but a gateway to excellent education and community engagement. If you're in search of a spacious home in Farragut that's priced below comparable properties in the area, you've hit the jackpot. Book your viewing now before this incredible opportunity is scooped up by someone else. For more information, review the